Hi everyone! Welcome once again to Cooking with Tita, right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to show you how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. Of course, to boil your eggs, you need not large but just enough to hold your egg or eggs. We want the smallest pot that we can use to boil our eggs. Now, first and foremost, your egg has to be room temperature. So, let me show you how I do mine, okay? We're gonna have to put our pot already on the top of the stove so that we won't be banging our eggs, okay? So, first and foremost, of course, you're gonna have to check your egg. No crack or anything of that nature. And also clean. And then we'll put it here. In this little pot that we have. Well, sometimes, you can't really help when there's a couple eggs or one egg that is busted. Because sometimes when the chicken lay the egg, sometimes inside the shells it's cracked. You know what I'm saying? So the perfect that I'm saying is how it peeled. All right, perfect amount of time cooking your eggs. That's what I meant by perfect. So okay, we're gonna put our water now. You have to be careful. You don't wanna, oops, there you go. See that I probably cracked it already. See? I hope not. Okay. So when you put your water, just enough water to cook the eggs, okay? When you put too much water, the eggs would rise. And then when it boils, the egg's gonna bounce around. It's gonna crack. So we don't want that. Now, we're going to turn on our stove to low heat. Don't let the fire touch the bottom of your pot or pan. So that's perfect right here, okay? So, and then we're gonna cover it and we're gonna put our timer to 30 minutes. Okay, our 30 minutes is done. We've been slow boiling this for 30 minutes. I don't know if I told you that check this once in a while. You want to be sure that we're not boiling the water really rapidly. You don't want your eggs to be banging, okay? Now it's done. We're gonna take this off now. All right, and then we're going to put it here and let it cool off completely. And then I will show you how easy or how perfect our hard-boiled eggs when it gets cold off, okay? All right, guys. I think our eggs are cool enough. Yeah. All right. By looking at this, we didn't break any eggs at all. I thought for sure I broke one. It's still kind of hot though. All right. But I want to show you, okay, what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me see. Can you see? Okay. All right. So you see, it's just perfect. What I mean by perfect, it doesn't stick to the shell. All right. It's not overcooked. When you cook your egg and you overcook your egg, see, it just fell off. When you overcook your eggs, it tends to get rubbery. You know what I mean? But this is perfect. I want to show it to you. See that? That's perfect. You can use this for your potato salad, egg salad, or deviled eggs. I hope you learned something from my little knowledge. I hope I helped you, because not very many people knows how to boil perfect hard-boiled egg, what I'm saying. Enjoy my recipe, guys. Enjoy my hard-boiled eggs. And I will see you again right here in my kitchen when you come and cook with Tita, okay? As I always say, bon appetit. Bye.